But as much as I like Honeywell, I got to tell you, for the moment, guess what? I actually think Boeing, the stock, may be an even better buy over the next 12 months. Despite the new 737 MAX hiccup we found out about Friday, this plane only got permission to fly again in November after being grounded for a year and a half following a pair of horrific crashes. Now, though, we find out that Boeing's recommended that its customers ground a particular batch of these jets, 90 of them total, because of an electrical issue. All right, I found it discouraging when I heard about it Friday morning, and it's no wonder that the stock sold off a bit. It's giving people flashbacks to 2019 when problems with the 737 MAX crushed the stock. Boeing's trying to rehabilitate its image, so they have to take even the most minor issues very seriously. A lot of people saw this and decided to sell first and ask questions later. No, I think that's completely wrong. However, when you actually drill down, this is not a reason to sell Boeing. In fact, it's kind of a borderline non-issue. Sure, 90 of their planes had to be grounded until the problem gets fixed, but Boeing says the repairs will take hours or at the most a few days. It's nothing like the kind of serious structural flaws that got every 737 MAX grounded for over a year, and it certainly isn't enough to derail this incredible comeback story. Remember, this small issue aside, the 737 MAX really is back. See, this used to be Boeing's most popular plane, and it got recertified right as the airlines were getting ready to start placing orders again in anticipation of the great reopening. And that's why we own this one for the Charitable Trust. And so far, our thesis is playing out as expected. Now, if you look at Stifel's monthly survey of air travel intentions, demand is almost back to its, this is astounding, pre-COVID baseline. We're already seeing the airlines start to place big orders, including for the MAX. Last month, United Airlines, which is fixing up its balance sheet, ordered 25 of them and moved up delivery for several dozen others they previously purchased. Sounds like the plane's doing pretty well. Well, wait a second. A week later, we got Boeing's February orders. Even after the impact of cancellations, they sold 31 planes, their first month of positive sales since November of 2019. You know what I think? The inflection point, it is here. Even better, 2 weeks ago, Southwest Airlines, which is probably one of the savviest of all, with a great balance sheet, they announced that they're sticking with the MAX. I thought they might go to Airbus. And they ordered 100 planes with options to buy 155 more. The next day, Alaska Air, a savvy operator, ordered 27 of them, along with 15 options. No wonder Boeing stock has been able to rally from 144 in late October to nearly $250 right now, even as it pulled back nearly $30 from last month's highs. I think it's got a lot of room to run, though. I think you take out that high because the airlines need more capacity, and that means they have to order from either Boeing or Airbus. With interest rates so low, they can easily buy those planes with borrowed money. This is nirvana for the stock of Boeing.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.